today I am here in Montville exploring what's meant to be one of the most charming towns in Australia. And so in this video we're going to see if it actually lives up to it or if it's just overhyped. So let's go have a look. Hey mate, and welcome back to A Brit Lost in Australia, my completely serious attempt to explore this gorgeous country without getting sunburned or attacked by some sort of animal. We had to scale an absolute mountain to get here. Our tiny little Toyota Yaris almost collapsed, but thankfully we made it. Boy, these ants are massive. Wait, pause before I show you the view. What on earth? They're like purple. Well, that's a first for me. I've never seen purple ants before. Right, if that's just the view you get from the car park, I'm very excited to see what else Montville has to offer. Head into the pub.
The condensation. And then you can edit me becoming a mermaid on top of that.
Now, Montville sits in the Sunshine Coast. The air up here is so much cooler than Brisbane. It has been a well-needed break. So if you're in, Queensland sort of area and it's getting a bit too hot, definitely come to Montville. Hello? Hello? Oh, you want them to like the video? Oh, okay. I'll let them know. Okay, thanks so much. And subscribe. Okay, great. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm in a koala. Oh my god. Okay, that's my touristy moment. And if anyone wants to know, you can enter the koala through the back. One of the things that I'm discovering about this gorgeous, gorgeous town is that it feels like a place that's designed by someone who loves people. The pace of life seems much slower and yeah, it just seems really, really lovely. And the architecture is absolutely gorgeous. Every building is beautiful. Let's see what else it has to offer. What's really surprised me about Montville, like everywhere in Australia, is the people. The people are so friendly. Every shop you walk into, you're greeted with lovely smile, hello, like how are you? And it doesn't just feel like a surface level fakeness, so you buy as much stuff out of their shop. It feels like they genuinely are interested. And it doesn't just stop at the shop owners, it's also all the locals and the tourists. Everyone just seems to be very relaxed and happy here. And it's funny, the more of Australia I explore, the more I find that everyone is so lovely and kind. But that warmth has reframed the whole place for me. Might I say, Montville, you have lovely lampposts. What I'm really loving about Montville, it's not flashy like a classic tourist destination where it's like, come on, come in here with the big red arrows. It's just gorgeous architecture, lovely people, and just all round good vibes. Maddie, are you enjoying the Montville?
I love it here, except the fudge shop is closed.
Oh, I really wanted some fudge.
Yeah, well, me too.
Also, if you want the cozy behind the scenes of how I make these videos and updates about being a Brit, getting lost in Australia, then I actually have a free weekly newsletter sent straight to your inbox each week. It's only a 3-minute read, no spam. So if that sounds good to you, there's a QR code you can scan there, or there's a link in the description below. Right, let's see what else we can do in Montville. Is this like a little Easter egg? Look at that. Maddie, touch it.
Okay.
Did that scare you?
Yeah.
What I'm absolutely loving about Montville is that it seems to be built around creatives, artists and craftspeople and people who just appreciate beautiful towns built for getting lost in and exploring, not the hustle and bustle of, you know, cities and capitalism, but just people creating beautiful spaces using what they have. But it's very easy to get lost in all that quiet. Oh my gosh, I'm just staring at this Poets Cafe and it's just beautiful. It's like something with a mixture of Australia and Italy and the UK. And the stained glass windows, oh my word.
And you get a beautiful view of the ocean all the way through. Isn't that amazing?
To be honest, as an actor, I'm really bad at slowing down because you're constantly looking for your next job to put food on the table, that you feel like you shouldn't be taking a holiday. But this place, it's kind of making me feel like I need to take a holiday more. And being surrounded in all the creativity here and all the beauty makes you stop for a second and start getting more creative ideas. And this all might sound a little soppy, but wait till you come here. So is Montville the most beautiful town in Australia? Well, for me, it absolutely is at this point in my time and exploration in Australia. Remember, I've only lived here for a year and a half now, is it?
Yeah.
The funny thing is, this is the Australia that you don't see in the Paul Hogan TV ads. This is the real Australia. It is made up of lots of little towns. It's made up of good food, good people, gorgeous architecture. It's full of a gorgeous ecosystem. Honestly, I know it sounds a bit boring, but when you're here, just stop to look at some of the trees and plants around you. I bet you'll see something unusual and that gets you a bit excited. I just feel so grateful that we get to see this view. We get this canopy and landscape behind us. And honestly, it's the sort of place where you visit once and you want to keep coming back to time and time again. However, I have so many other places on my list yet to visit in this gorgeous, gorgeous country. If you have any suggestions, let me know down below because you'll know better than me. So if you are visiting, make sure you bring lots of water, be prepared for some of the shops to be shut, and also make sure your car can at least handle some of the hills. It's small enough to do in a day. I was with my dad, who was in a mobility scooter with us, and he could get around pretty much everywhere. The pavements were pretty good, but it can be a bit rocky, so, you know, be careful. Other than that, you should have a really, really fun time.
Let's go to the Whitsundays next.
Yes, please. Let's start saving up for that now.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to keep the adventure going, don't click away yet. Go watch this video here, all about what no one tells you when visiting Melbourne. Thanks for watching to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.